Hey fellow hobbyists, today I want to show you some settings in Fusion 360 that can help your exports stop looking like this and look a lot more like this. The default settings in Fusion's export can cause this segmentation in the STL file. This is not an issue in your slicer, it's actually an issue with your Fusion 360 settings. We want these nice smooth surfaces so that our slicer and our printer can give us the best result possible. To get this nice smooth surface, we actually need to make some changes in Fusion 360. When we go into Fusion 360, the easiest way to export is File, Export, change it to STL, and accept what it gives us. But that leads to the segmented curves that I just showed you. The way we fix this is we go to File, 3D Print, and we can change the export settings here. The key is open this refinement settings, and now we can start playing with all the details that will refine that. So if I go to preview just so we can see what it's going to do, and I pick my part, we'll see exactly what we see in the slicer with the segmentation of this curve into all of these straight lines. Now what we can do is begin to play with these knobs or just take some of the presets. If we go high, we see that we have smaller segments. If I want to go really crazy, I can move some of these knobs around. And now I have a ton of triangles and a really smooth surface. Your trade-off is file size, because more triangles equals a larger file size. With this highly refined version, we're at 107,000 triangles versus the default, which is medium, at 1,636 triangles. Now, once you've applied those settings and exported that model, you get this nice smooth surface such that you really have to zoom in quite a bit to start to see the segmentation of the curves. I hope this was helpful, and that's how you can refine your STL exports out of Fusion 360.